In order to update your header and footer in Divi, you have to go to two different places. So first we're going to start with the header. So go to your dashboard and then go down to Divi and Theme Customizer. Once you're here, there's a few places where you're going to want to look. So we have the header and navigation section, where you're going to want to look at the header format, the primary menu bar, secondary menu bar, fixed navigation, and header elements. So first we'll start with the format. So here you can customize where you want your logo placements, the size of your menu items, and so on. So for example, if we change this to centered, your logo will show up here, and then we could do slide in. So then they have to click, and so on and so forth. We're going to leave it as default just for this purpose. Second, we're going to go to the primary menu bar. So you can change the text color, the active link color, and the background color. That'll all be customizable here. You can also change the font style, and everything else. Now always make sure to press publish so your work is saved. Next we're going to go to the secondary menu bar, which is this bar up here. So this is customized here, and you can go ahead and change the background color. You can change the font color, the font style, and so on. And then the fixed navigation. So this is when people scroll. So if you want this to be different, you can change the secondary menu background color to have it different when you scroll. And then the header elements. So this is where you'll edit your phone number and your email address. Next, we're going to customize our footer. So instead of coming here to the footer area of the customizer, your e-commerce site is set up so you can have social share icons. So Divi is still updating their site and their templates to include this. Right now, the only things that Divi offers is Facebook and Twitter. It doesn't offer Instagram or Yelp or anything like that. So in order for your e-commerce website to have that, we have to do the footer a little differently. So just exit out of the customizer and just visit any page of your site and enable the visual builder. Once this is enabled, you'll see that the footer is a lime green color, which is different than any other color on your site. So the lime green means that it's a global element. So any change that you make on any page of your site to this footer will make changes everywhere else on the site where this footer is placed. So to change your business name, just go ahead and change it to whatever business name you want. So let's just call it ABC Business for right now. And then obviously press save. And here you can also change the social icons. So right now we just have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And then you just add your account URL. But you can add any of the social networks that Divi provides. We're not going to do that right now, but we are going to make sure that we save everything. So once that's saved, let's go to our About Us page just so you can see the change at the bottom. And you'll see that this is ABC Business now. So any change that you make to any of the footers where it's global, so a lime green color, will change the footer on every other page. And that is how you change your header and your footer.